spy on your competition to see what keywords work best on Walmart, right? And the goal is to get you to the first page. So if you're selling an electric ear cleaner, right, what you want to do is look at the top competitor. And you can see this one obviously has a lot of reviews. You can also look at this one. But we would just want to take their main keywords. So if we look at their listing, the main keywords is ear wax removal. And we want to see what people are searching on Walmart that's related to this item so we can get our listing to show up as many places as possible on Walmart and beat them out in sales. And a tool that's going to do this is going to be Helium 10. It's right in the description. They also have a free trial. Once you log into Helium 10, you're going to go to products and then magnet. So magnet is to discover relevant keywords of your competitors. And you're going to make sure you do the drop down of Walmart. And we're going to type in that ear wax removal keyword. So this is the main keyword of our top competitor. So we're going to copy that. We're going to put that into magnet. And once we put it into magnet, we're going to analyze those keywords. Once we click analyze, it's going to show you some top keywords. And you can see it has a search trend score, which represents the popularity of search terms on Walmart. So you can filter this and see, okay, what are the most popular search terms that maybe I should be putting in my bullet points, aka key features, description, title on Walmart that's going to get me seen the most. So the search volume, first off, on Amazon is 45,000 for this a month. The trend score on Walmart is 100, meaning it's like the top of the top. So you definitely want ear cleaner right in your title if possible. And we can also see if the competitor has that ear cleaner, and they do. So they do have the word ear cleaner in their title, and that's definitely helping them rank on Walmart and get them to the first page. But we can see some other keywords, ERO wax removal, ear wax removal. That's a good one as well. This one looks like it's a brand name. Ear wax removal kit. So that's actually getting typed in a lot, not only on Walmart, but Amazon as well. So these are great keywords to show you exactly what keywords are working on Walmart and which ones aren't. So that way you're not just guessing or just copying a competitor completely. You're actually looking at the analytics in order for you to succeed on Walmart. And you'll be surprised that a lot of competitors do not have this tool. And there is a free trial, which is so nice. You can also go to Cerebro if you wanted, and then get the item ID of the competitor. So here's the item ID of the competitor. Put it into here. We're on Walmart. Click Get Keywords. And then it's also going to show us the exact keywords our competitor is ranking for. So Magnet shows example keywords that are the best overall. Cerebro, this is the next tool I'm showing you, shows you exactly what the competitor is ranking for. So we can also see what keywords they're ranking for that we might not see. Ranking means they're showing up pretty much usually on page number 1 for Walmart, right? So just keep that in mind. These two tools are extremely powerful. There's not a lot of Walmart tools out there, so get what you can get. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management. We'll manage your inventory, calling Walmart, implementing SEO every 60 to 90 days onto your listing, listing quality score, pro seller badge, and much, much more to make sure we're doing the nitty gritty, we're increasing your sales, and you can focus on just expanding your business. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
Wait.